El pretérito, explicando lo que pasó. In order to conjugate verbs into the preterite tense, the first step is to memorize the endings. These are the endings for regular verbs. AR verbs use e, aste, o, amus, arun. ER and IR verbs have identical endings. They are iste, io, imos, ieron. If you were to look a verb up in the dictionary, you would find its infinitive form, the simplest form of a verb. Infinitives in Spanish always end in AR, ER, or IR. Examples of infinitives might be hablar, comer, or escribir. Remember that all verbs have two parts, the stem and the ending. The stem of the verb hablar is HABL, and the ending is the AR. Now let's conjugate a verb. Let's conjugate hablar. The first step is to remove the ending. Let's erase the AR. Now we want to add a new ending. This new ending will tell the listener or reader who did the action and that the action was done in the past. Let's say that I was the person who spoke, so we will need to add an accented E to the stem. Now we have hablé, and the listener understands that I spoke in the past. Summary. First, select the verb that means what you want to communicate. Second, remove the infinitive marking ending, the AR, ER, or IR. Finally, add the new ending that matches who it is you want to say did the action. Conjugating is as simple as that. You can do this. Remember that all things are difficult before they become easy. If you continually work at conjugating the verbs, one night you will go to sleep, and when you wake up, you will conjugate without having to think. You really can do it. Give your brain time to make sense of it all. In the meantime, keep conjugating. Good luck.